Okay, this is a quick review of the white pen that I got from Sakura. I bought it online. No, I probably bought it locally. So I'm just going to use it on this rough surface. It's not going to be a good result, but it's going to give you an idea about how it's going to look like on a more smooth surface. This is what I wrote, Japan. This is how it works on a rough surface, and that's how it works on a smooth surface. I'm going to show you more. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. If you search for it online, search for Jelly Roll 08 from Sakura. I'll be providing links below so you can buy them. Thank you.